20mm Bonoss spacer. Oh, we gotta pull these caps off. It's easier to just take a socket. Where's that other socket?
19mm.
Come right off with the cap. Go right across. I don't have a really good video of you doing this. Okay, clean up my mess here. Alright, so there's our spoon progressive springs that we installed a couple weeks ago, giving me about a 3/4 inch drop. And then each of these lugs are going to come off of the spacer lugs and go on to the factory lugs.
Just a little bit more than a drop of this blue Loctite. You don't really have to squeeze it, you just kind of put it on there and gravity feed it. Make sure you put those on the right way.
Just wanted to say to make sure that that little bevel goes inside.
Surprise, surprise. Some people can. Go with that pattern. It's a little bit of a star.
Yeah, let's make sure the emergency brake is set.
And this is the 20mm or 25mm.
And the torque specs for the FL5 Type R
90 what?
is 94 foot-pounds.
Okay, you got to make sure that this little guy locks. Don't go on as deep because those studs were pressed out a little bit more with the 25mm on there. All right.